Howdy, chat. I didn't see you there. I was too busy with all these Bitcoin pump and gains. Oh, yeah. What's going on, guys? This is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Today is February 5th. Friday, February 5th, 2021. Happy Friday. Bitcoin trading at $37,914. This is Crypto World News Daily Show. We do this, well, semi-daily. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 to 12:30-ish p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. We do Bitcoin analysis, not just technical analysis on not just Bitcoin. We take suggestions from you. We'll look at Ethereum, ADA, DOT. I got a couple other coins. We go over some fundamental news, like news about cryptocurrency space, blockchain adoption, anything, any tokens that are fundamental news that comes out. We're going to be talking about that. We do have a DeFi project of the day, so we're going to go over that. And we have a live trade at the end where we'll take suggestions from you for coins you want me to chart. And then we will also take a look at our trade account. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, then stick around. I appreciate you guys being here, and smash that like button, subscribe, tell your friends. All right, let's go into some BTC news first, or BTC analysis first and foremost. Off to the races, yes sir. All right, BTC news. Well, we're gonna fundamentals. All right, so the daily close here looks pretty fantastic. We look pretty bullish here. There is lower highs that we are trying to break up on. So we daily close, or we 4-hour closed higher than these candles got up here, but we still have to get higher. We still have to break up on 40K and fast. So if we fail to break up on 40K, I think we'll come back to the 24 to 26K Bitcoin range. If we manage to break up on 40K, I think there are, we could definitely expect to see anywhere between 45 to 48K for a bullish continuation. So that's sort of my Bitcoin analysis right here. We're right in between support. This looks like this has been support. There was some daily support right here, and then resistance. I see some resistance up here and major resistance at 40K. So 38.9, 40K. This looks pretty no trade zoney for me. If you were looking to trade, this would have been your entry. 36K would have been about your entry, and you'd be looking to take profit anywhere between 39 to 40K, somewhere about that. So if you're looking to short here, maybe that could be the move, but I would just be careful. Being this as a failure to make a higher high, this is a lower high we are printing right now. So we'll see how this plays out. All these altcoins look extremely bullish. I'm not going to be shorting this BTC. So just looking at this daily here, like what tells you to short here? There's nothing here that says short for me. Maybe up here, maybe if we were back at 40K and we, got smacked pretty hard. But I really do like this. I do like the way that this chart looks right now. So I could see definitely a bullish continuation, looking for that bull break up on 40K. So let's hop over into some news, because that's what we do here at Crypto World News. All right, our first article today, we are going to be talking about Elon Musk has changed the game for Dogecoin. All right, what is this? What does this mean for the Doge? So I take part I am in cryptocurrency groups all across Facebook and Twitter and Discord and yada yada. So a lot of people have been, let's just say, they're calling Elon Musk a troll for his tweets. If you have not seen his tweets, you can go over to our Crypto World News Discord. We've got them in there. But basically, he just said Dogecoin is the people's coin, and he said Dogecoin, you don't need to be a GigaChad to own it. And he had like a raise up Simba emote or picture with the Dogecoin as Simba. So people saying that Dogecoin is a shitcoin going to zero. Dogecoin was founded as a meme. Okay? We've done some fundamental research on Doge. We live in a time that's crazy enough to reward the undeserving. So, what does that mean? I believe that Doge and the DeFi space can create a use case out of Doge, as long as there's a very strong community. What is the use case for Doge? Okay, well, they already have DUSD, Doge USD, stablecoin transaction platform. I bet you didn't know that Doge transacts almost instantaneously and pretty much for free. So they're building a joke out of, they're building a use case out of a joke. Elon Musk saying that you don't need to be a GigaChad to own it. You don't need to dump in your life investment. But hey, if you wanted to pick up 1,000 Doge and it goes to $1, there's $1,000. I'm not saying it's going to go to $1. I am long on Doge, and we'll disclose that towards the end of the show. But, you know, always do your own research. Doge and Bitcoin may reach Mars before we do. I say let's get Elon to Mars. Buy cryptocurrency. We just need an Elon coin. Elon. And we just... Okay. So that was our first article. If you want to check it out or read it for yourself, I will drop the link down below. We're going to go into our next article. DeFi sets an all-time high of 34.2 billion in total value locked. Now, so we can look, the total value of DeFi protocols, 34, pretty partially due to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several DeFi tokens such as Uniswap gaining a lot of value. But look, total value locked in DeFi. Okay, so we're looking at the total amount of money since this is not very long. This is December 2020. January. So this is not 3 months. We went from let's say less than 15 billion to 35 billion. So that we were expecting this. We knew that the DeFi is the next wave, the next hot wave in the cryptocurrency space. The $30 billion locked DeFi is next to nothing. The potential growth is enormous, and there is ample room to grow until there are in the trillions. Just money, where the money flows, the money goes. So we're seeing a lot of money not only entering the cryptocurrency space, but we're also seeing a lot of money flood and being locked in these DeFi protocols. So money is flowing out of bond markets and traditional stocks and investments and into these locked DeFi protocols that offer high yielding returns for your liquidity assets. If you'd like to learn more about that or you have any questions, just let me know. All right, last article of the day we are going to be going over is Cardano. We've got some ADA news, dude. What's BTC doing? 37,867. Daily 45-minute. Probably going to give a long entry. Give us a long entry. We'll see. We shall see. Okay. So yeah, where the native tokens to buy Cardano are coming out. Wait, what happened to my... Where does the 3 go? There's 2. News, article 3. Ah! I did it too far. There we go. All right. First day with my new little tools here. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Let me see if I can slap this under the coin market cap. I should do this later. Anyways, okay. Cardano. We've been talking about Cardano. We saw the Shelly launch, and now they have released Mary. I'm not going to try and announce the Goguen was the original name in the white paper, but we're just going to call it Mary. So Mary allows user native tokens will soon bring a new utility life to Cardano. Now, what does this mean for Cardano? What does this mean for the ADA network? This means huge, massive use case, huge, massive adoption. Cardano is already the most decentralized staking currency in existence. So just as you saw Ethereum and the rise of DeFi based around the Ethereum ERC20 tokens, we are going to see projects launch off of the Cardano platform. And these projects are going to be third-gen blockchain technologies that are that have real-world applications and use cases. So if you see the use case in Ethereum and the scalability, then Cardano has more potential. Let's just say that. Not that it's an Ethereum killer, but the fact that soon, like the end of this month, Mary is almost here, due to be deployed on mainnet the end of February, assuming all testing. So they got some tests to run, but assuming that all of that goes well, we will very shortly see new tokens launching off of the Cardano platform. New projects. So that is it for our Bang Bang Boom news articles of the day. If you have any questions you'd like for me to address, let me know. If you have any coins you want for me to chart, you can also let me know. Now is also a good time for that. All right, we're going to hop into our DeFi project of the day. It's called Rootkit, currently the #1 asset on CoinGecko as far as the Uniswap volume, 24-hour volume goes. About 458 million, trading at 4.3K per root. So what is Rootkit? Well, Rootkit is a highly deflationary yield farmable token. Okay, keyword there, deflationary token. There will only ever be 10,000 roots in existence. So there will only be 10,000. There's no way to create new roots. The circulating supply can ever go down, period. This is what I'm talking about when you say store of value, not a dollar. A deflationary asset that has applications that can passively generate you income and has a finite okay, so Rootkit is it looks pretty promising. I think look at this, you can stake some stuff. You can they got a wet BTC pool, which is very, very hot. I know a lot of people have Bitcoin and they want to liquidity mine, but they are fearful because you still have to stake root as well. Okay. So most people are fearful of the other asset that you're required to stake to participate. So not only would you have to add wet Bitcoin, which is just Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain, so it transacts easier, but you'd also have to buy and add root. So you're susceptible to whatever volatility, you add to the pool, you receive your liquidity pool tokens, which represents the percentage of the pool that you own. And, the values that you inserted are not necessarily the values that you get out because the prices change, things like that. So anyways, our project rootkit.finance, they've got games. Look at that, Diablo. Can we play this? Oh, okay. Well, I guess we can play games here. I don't know if we win stuff, but I'm not gonna do this right now. But anyways, I didn't know that was a thing. So cool. I really like this. Claim LGE. Oh, okay. Yeah, I really like this. Rootkit.finance. So if you want to check it out, it'll be down below. All right, we're going to go over, see if there's any coins that you guys want for me to look at. Great. Wow, great. Okay. So yeah, this is our coin market cap of the day. Daily cryptocurrency overview. We've got $1.1 trillion in the cryptocurrency space. $158 billion as a 24-hour trading volume. And BTC dominance continuing to come down 60.3%. 24-hour movers, ZRX, $1.63. Maker, wow, that's crazy. Maker's Kyber Network as well. Loopring, Alpha Finance, that was one of our projects. The Graph, I'm in a graph trade. Losers, Swiss, Funfair. Okay, mate. So altcoins, let's see. Graph, I'm looking at Graph. It's kind of breaking out here. There's not a whole lot of chart data to give you, but basically this coin has been doing pretty good. I really like the website too. The Graph has got a really nice website. I'm looking to take some profits, probably around $1.15, $1.18. We'll see what happens. I got a SPX, SXP order I'd like to get filled on. I'm wrecked in GameStop. I got one share at $1.28 or $128. So it's not really wrecked, but if you were looking to get into GameStop and you wanted a better entry than me, I have no intent of selling it. I'm trying to flip it for a Tesla stock. So this might be a good entry for you if you're interested in that. AMC, I'm also pretty in the pooper on. I think I got in at 15. I got 10 stocks. So yeah, I might need to hold on to those for a while. Obviously, I don't know all about stocks. It's all about the crypto game. Oh, check this out. I wanted to show you guys. Let me make sure I got it on my first silver bar. This little 10 ouncer. But yeah, I told you guys I was going to be buying some silver, and I did. So I really like it. If you don't have any, get you some. Coins. Any coins to chart? Diamond Hand. Ooh, what mint? I don't know. I think I got it from JM Bullion. 10 troy ounces. Guatemoc? Which foundry? Did you test it? No, I did not test it. I just bought it online from like JM Bullion. I got the receipt and everything, so maybe I should test it. I don't know, guys. You guys are freaking me out now. It was only $300, 10 ounces. It was only $300 for all this baby right here. I think you're supposed to like hit it on metal or something. That was terrible. So anyways, yeah, Dot also looking, gosh, love me some duty booties. So what happens whenever Cardano releases their token when, similarly to how if you had Ethereum, you could get airdropped, a bunch of tokens based on the supply that you have because they're launching these tokens off of that. So similarly, I believe that you will just simply by holding Cardano and you'll be able to participate in airdrops. And yeah, I mean, if you're trying to sell Cardano in 2021, I don't know. I just see a huge use case. Look at all this buy volume. Maybe if we looked at the Bitcoin, I don't know. I don't know what you guys want. Let's look at our trades. Keeping it short, sweet, to the point. JM Bullion, you said. Yes. Yes, JM Bullion was where I got it from. I think I can go to the website right now, actually. jmbullion.com. I should probably get an affiliate link for this. Okay, so yeah, 1 ounce, 5 ounce, 10 ounce. Oh, you can get a 10 ounce bar. They didn't have these yesterday. cool. Well, if you want to get yourself a 10-ounce bar for $300, which really isn't that bad, you can't get my cool. You can't get the one with the cool ink and Mayan calendar on it. That one's out of stock. But hey, get you some 10-ounce. Get you some silver. We can look at silver. I mean, even if silver goes down, silver's at 27. I don't think silver's going down. What we had yesterday or 4 hours. Yeah. 26 cents. I think silver's going to continue. But I'm macro long on silver. Don't really know about gold personally. I'd like for it to do the same. I'm just not sure. I just know the charts look extremely different. I mean, look. So monthly gold chart, right? Monthly silver. See the difference? Monthly gold. Monthly silver. Ethereum, probably going to test 1900, 1930, maybe up in the 2K range. Just looking really, really nice. So we got a weekly close here coming up on Sunday. If you're not familiar, just keep an eye on these weekly closes. Weekly closes. Okay, let's go over our trade now. What do you think about Doge now? Okay. Let's look at Doge. That's a good question. I think Doge. So, having said what I said in the beginning of the stream, if you recall, which is they are the DeFi space, the cryptocurrency space. We live in a crazy time where a shit meme coin that has no purpose, no reason, can find purpose and reason. So I really like this buy volume until I see some major sell volume to kind of counteract that. I'm gonna keep my position open. The 4 hour, I mean, how you can't do technical analysis. I believe you can't do technical analysis on this. If they decide to create a use case out of Dogecoin, I mean, I know they already have DUSD, which is like the Doge stablecoin. Doge transacts pretty fast, so take your profits and run. If you can, I'm gonna look for a continuation up here. I'd like to get to the 10 cents. Personally, yeah, just like a little bit higher, just like 10 cents. If we do something, absolutely bonkers, there's no way. I mean, good for you. I don't know how else to say it. Like, if you're gonna wait until we come back to 31 cents, that might not happen, or 3 cents, that might not happen. We're at 4.5 cents right now. It might happen completely. We might come back to a penny. We might go to 0. It's just really difficult because this space is very, very maybe I should tell you. I mean, so I know this guy, and I was actually talking to him on the phone, and he bought like $5,000 of Doge because one of his customers at his restaurant told him it was going to $1. And I'm like, look, it's a joke. But hey, it's 2021. The times are crazy. We live in times that reward the undeserving. As Joel Salatin once said. All right, so my Doge analysis is, maybe we come back to 3 cents, but really, I think there's probably going to be a continuation move based off of the response to yesterday's hype or lack thereof, I believe. Maybe there was a little bit of hype, but if the plan was get to $1 tomorrow, but the plan didn't have any course of action or say what the next steps were, then I think a lot of people are assuming that it was a failed plan and exiting, which I'm seeing and I'm hearing. So yeah, just gonna keep my Doge open. I've got a 0 liquidation price. I'm not super worried about it. Let's go into let's go into our trades a little bit here, folks. Hope, thank goodness. Yes, sir. All right, so we've got an Atom perp long, Band perp long, BTC perp long, Doge perp long, Dot perp long, GRT perp long, LTC perp long, Gold PAX G perp long, and Stellar Lumens perp long. So we are doing pretty fantastic, if I say myself, okay? So let's look at our PNL thus far. All right, so if you're not familiar with our goal or what we're trying to do here, we, as of January 11th, was our initial deposit of 0.005 BTC. From January 11th to January 27th, we turned that into 0.2 BTC, and we have proof of that. And then we took that 0.2 BTC and we exchanged it to, or we moved it to this exchange, which was like $600 at the time. And from there, we've doubled it, tripled it. I think we're at like 3K, about 3K right now. So about another 4X from that. So we're about a 14X, 15X from our original entry amount, our original start amount to trade with. And the goal is to show you guys that you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money. I started with $200, I believe, 0.005. I think it was $200 at the time. And that's where we're at now. So I can do it, you can do it. Don't follow me, but learn from my mistakes if you can, and make some mistakes of your own. You're not gonna be able to live the life you want unless you take some risks. But always, my strategy going in is always trade with what you're willing to afford to lose. So hence why our start price was 0.005 BTC, because if you lose it, $100-$200, you know what? We'll call it a week and come look at it again next week. Load it back up, another $100-$200, whatever it's going to be. And the goal or the lesson isn't, I'm not trying to teach you how to get liquidated in a week and for that to be okay. Ideally, you whatever your trading strategy is, but the goal is for you to take some risks that you can take, realize, manage your risk, and go for it a little bit. If you are here and you're educated enough to make some smart decisions, maybe based on what I see or what you hear or what other people see or say or what your own analysis is, ideally. If you're able to make some smart decisions based off of that and make some money off of that, then more power to you. So I really encourage you guys to make your own decisions, always formulate your own analysis. I'd love to, if you have charts, if you'd like to start charting, if you have questions, I'd love to help you in any way that I can. I do have profit targets set on all of these. If you'd like for me to go over them, we can. Doesn't seem like there's a whole bunch of chitter chatter, but I do appreciate you guys watching. I really do. You guys are the reason why I'm here. I wouldn't be here if you weren't. Ain't that right, Skater? Yeehaw! Okay. So that's going to be it for today's show. We've gone over a couple things. We've got, boom, Elon Musk doging it up for the meme coin Doge Newbie 1 Doge. And then we got number 2. Total DeFi amount of money in the DeFi platform is increasing continuously. And then we've got number 3. The native token, or Cardano, is now, as of the end of this month, February, there are going to be projects launching off of the Cardano platform, just how we see ERC20 tokens launching off of the Ethereum platform. Very bullish about Cardano. So we've gone over, boom, 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 3 news articles. We've gone over Rootkit, our daily DeFi of the day. We've gone over a little bit of our live trades, not too much. We are going to be, I've got profit targets set on all of these. So if you are interested in what my profit targets are, hop on the stream live, twitch.tv/cryptoworldnews, and just say, yo, what's going on? If there's only like 5 people there or you don't hear a response, just hang out for a sec. Open up your browser. Just leave us in the background. We got some good music going on. Don't need to worry about it. We'll get to your questions. There's a lot of people. Everyone's got, we can get to everyone. So yeah, Dogecoin got a sell just under 10 cents, like I said. Atom, I don't think I have a sell for Atom. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No, my god. No, my god. Okay, so let's get a sell for Atom here. How can we do this? Atom BTC, breakout 3418. No way. Come on. 10% higher? What would that give us? Atom USD. 11. 12. Okay, yeah, we'll set we'll just set like a... Okay, so here's how we do this. I wanted to show you guys this as well. Okay, so we're long 44.26 Atom. Okay, that's how we're perp long, and our entry price, average open price, is $9 per, and our liquidation price is non-existent. Notional size is $500. All right, so let's pretend we wanted to take profit and close. Okay, sell Atom perp. Let's say we like $13. We're gonna go just under $13. 12.89. Okay, close position. Okay, instead of buy, sell, close position, because we're already in a position. We've put in our price. This is a limit order, and then yada yada yada. Sell. Okay. So now what this does is we are in our long position. Should the price come up to our sell order, it will fill our sell, and that will take us out of our Atom perp long and close our position. So this is how you take profit without market smashing. So we can do the same thing respectively for any other coin. Okay. So BTC 43179 is pretty bullish. So yeah, that's going to close out our long respectively. Okay. Any questions in the chat? Elliot minimized their application. Oh, how long was that going on for? I need to be more attentive, guys. Or someone just needs to come in the stream and yell at me. Your stream is paused. B&B freaking out. We're going to take one more look at BTC here, and then we're going to end today's show because we are running over. We're running over on our time here. Appreciate you guys being with us. If you have any questions, if you're just joining us, 12 p.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, twitch.tv, you know where we're at. You're already here. So if you have any altcoins, we take suggestions. We've gone over all of our crypto news. If you missed the show, I'll upload it to YouTube in about an hour or so. So our last closing thoughts here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin trading at $37,959. $37,959. Okay, 4 hour, we debatably tried to dump here. This looks bullish to me. This looks like a bullish continuation here. This 2%, this 39K should honestly be no issue. The real issue should be about 40K, 40.2K, I believe, will be the bull test, the actual bull test. So I'm going to be changing, you know, if we get up here and things look a little bit different, I might just market smash, close my BTC perp long, because yeah, I'm not going to be super greedy about that. And I definitely want to take some profit because that allows me The strategy that I'm using, you shouldn't be, my recommendation to you should not be to try and follow my entries and exits. My strategy to you would be to try to incorporate the free collateral, total collateral, the way that I'm positioning my leverage. Okay, so if you can figure out a way how to be long in an asset that is increasing in value because of use case and mass adoption and have a zero liquidation price, I think you're pretty much setting yourself up for success as far as from a trade's perspective goes. Because you're not limiting yourself to, very narrow boundaries. You're not stop losses in here, take profits here. You're just, gradually you've caught the trend of this DeFi cryptocurrency wave. So just thank the lucky stars that you're here right now. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's crypto show. Is it still paused again? Oh my God. Oh my God. Minimized. Red Squirrel 40. Yes. Gosh, I'm terrible. I'm going to have to get better at these shows, guys. Or you're going to find someone new. Okay. So we've done everything we were here to do today. I really appreciate you guys sticking around in chat. I had fun today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. Do something for someone else. If you have any questions, I'll be in stream. I'll be trading all weekend as well. Appreciate you guys watching. Words of wisdom, not really. Just stay safe in your trades. Do something nice for someone else this weekend. And oh, I did have something. My first trading mentor told me, he taught me that the life you live is the mathematical sum of the thoughts that you've had in the past. So I'm encouraging you to think about that today and try to catch yourself if you're thinking about something that you should have done in the past, or how much money you could have had, or if you're living in the past and not living for the now, you're dead. So stop that and be alive, be here in the moment. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys to Monday. Yep. Peace. Love you guys. Oh, so more than you'll ever know.